magbakal ko.
Nabuya sa. Bibi, nabuya mo kamot. Oh. Go.
Wow, dali ka mo. Dali ka kayo.
Go.
Kinder City. Hi guys, welcome back to the Kinder City. Today we're going to the Kinder City. Oh yeah!
Thank you. I'll just get it. Wow! Excited ka na?
Let's go!
Sim. Tapos, sige ka. Oh, go! Whoop! Aray! Woo! Woo! Damo watermelon.
Mama, Papa, let's go to the secret room.
Secret room? Smile! Let's go, guys! Go, baby! Are you there? Woo! Wee! Nami, be. Save, what do you want when you grow up? Save. What do you want when you grow up? Ano? Ha? Ano gusto mo? Magdako ka? Plantation? Fireman? Ayaw. Fireman? Di ba plantation? Ari na kayang beauty salon kayo? Ito, beauty salon nila Ate Harriet, oh. Nila Aya. Mag-play ka lang, ah. See?
Go somewhere else.
Sa left side. Put your hands on your chest, Na, ay. Na, go. Wala nag-slide. Na. Abi ko diri-diri siya. Ta. Wala galitan log. Mayo man ah. Have you found the secret passage?
What?
Let's go together. Wait for me. Be, let's go together. Wait for Baba. Okay, let's go. We'll go to the secret passage. Okay. Nubo for me. Amang si Mama Baba, oh. That is why it's hard for me. See? Yeah. Ito kay Mamaya, let's go.
Let's go.
Ari kami. Oh, ride ka na, oh. Galuhod na ko, literal. Huh? See? Okay, I have a question for you. What do you want when you grow up?
A firewoman.
Wow!
I never tried it before.
I know. Ah? Ito baan makakadrive niya ba? Ang drive niya kita mo.
I have no shopping cart.
There's no shopping cart?
No.
What will you cook?
This one.
Pasta?
It's this pasta.
Okay.
And not this. Banana.
Okay.
Cauliflower. Watermelon. Mama, Baba, you pay.
You pay. Ikaw pay.
Yung customer.
Ikaw ang customer, give me money so that you can have your, ano, pretend money. Okay. Thank you. You can have it. Not.
Okay. Where's the airport?
Like everything. You know what Sip Sip is doing? Okay, look at what Sip Sip is doing, oh. Galod siya sang karga. Eh? Gamang karga siya ta. More pa.
I help you, Kaya. No, don't help me.
Stay here lang kayo. Ajay. Ajay mo ni. Ajay mo ni. It was fun, no? Go, Kaya. Go, Kay. Okay, where are you? Okay. Enjoy ka din. Ayos ah. Time's up!
3, 2, 1.
Amo na, very good. Did ka mo sa school. Kaya mabalik ta di kong very good ka mo. Say bye na.
Eat a knife.
Okay, that's it, guys.
Let's eat, guys.